How to use Instagram shopping feature. To use the Instagram's shopping feature, first of all, you have to connect a physical product catalog to your Instagram professional profile. Once approved by Meta, you can tag products directly in your post, stories, and reels, which redirects user to your website to complete their purchase. First of all, you have to meet the prerequisites, which is physical goods only are available, and also professional accounts should be created, and you also must have a website domain and also link your Facebook business page on your Instagram profile. Then to link your product catalog, you simply have to use the e-commerce platform integration or use the Meta Commerce Manager. And also submit your account review by simply launching the application, then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. From here, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. From here, search for the business tools and controls, then proceed to set up the Instagram shopping. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.